Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Start Speak English. I'm John, your teacher and guide today. In this lesson, I'll show you how to talk about yourself in clear, simple English. You'll learn short patterns, easy examples, and friendly phrases you can use anywhere when you meet new people, start a job, travel, or make friends. Ready? Let's begin. First names. When you meet someone for the first time, you start with your name. Two very natural patterns are, my name is John. I'm John. Both are correct. You can also make it friendlier. My name's John, a contraction. You can add more detail if you want. My full name is Jonathan, but people call me John. Officially, it's Jonathan on my documents, but everyone calls me John. Your turn, shadow me. My name is... My full name is... But people call me... A small cultural tip. In English-speaking places, people often use short or friendly names very quickly. It's usually a sign of friendliness, not disrespect. If you prefer a formal name, you can say, "Please call me Jonathan." If you prefer a short name, say, "You can call me John." Next, where you're from. The basic powerful pattern is, I'm from plus city, country. Examples, I'm from Chicago. I'm from Spain. I'm from Vietnam. Make it clearer by adding both city and country. I'm from Osaka. It's in Japan. I'm from Medellin. It's in Colombia. You can also explain your story. I was born in Brazil, but I live in Portugal now. I grew up in a small town, but I live in a big city today. Your turn, shadow me. I'm from Matasus. I'm from Maine. It's in. I was born in, but I live in. Now, cultural note. People often connect by places. If you say I'm from Italy, someone may talk about food, soccer, or cities they visited. It's a friendly way to keep a conversation going. Now, age. In casual conversation, people sometimes avoid asking adults about age, but it's useful to answer if needed. Easy patterns. I'm 28. I'm 35 years old. More formal. I'm in my 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. General range. More natural lines. I just turned 18. Recently became 18. I'm almost 30. Maybe 29. I'm in my early 30s. I'm in my late 40s. Your turn, shadow me. I'm in my... I just turned. I'm almost. Let's talk about family. People often ask, do you have brothers or sisters? Another key word is siblings. Brothers and sisters. Simple answers. Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have two sisters. I have an older sister. I have a younger brother. If you have no brothers or sisters, I'm an only child. If they ask, how many brothers and sisters do you have? You can say, I have one brother and two sisters. I don't have siblings. Your turn, shadow me. I have an older, younger. I'm an only child. People may also ask about your living situation. I live with my parents. I live with my partner and children. I live alone. I live with friends, roommates. Shadow. I live with. I live alone. I live with friends. Now work and study. The common question is, what do you do? This means your job, not your current action. Easy job patterns. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse. I work in IT. I'm a driver. I drive a taxi. I'm a cook. I work in an Italian restaurant. Add where or what you do. I'm a teacher. I work at a secondary school. I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital. I'm a designer. I create brand logos. If you don't have a job right now, I'm looking for a job at the moment. I'm between jobs right now. If you're a student, I'm a student. I study engineering. I study at Hanoi University of Science and Technology. I'm studying biology. If you study and work, I study business. And I also work part-time in a cafe. Your turn. Shadow me. I'm a. I work at, in. I'm looking for a job right now. I'm a student. I study. I study. And I also work. Common follow-up questions. Where do you work? Do you like your job? Are you a student? What do you study? Where do you study? Now let's describe personality, what kind of person you are. Use I'm plus adjective s. I'm friendly. I'm patient. I'm hardworking. I'm funny. I'm curious. I'm quiet sometimes. I'm easygoing. I'm positive. I'm open-minded. Combine two traits. I'm friendly and patient. I'm shy but curious. I'm serious at work, but relaxed at home. Your turn. Shadow me. I'm. Questions you might hear. What are you like means, what is your personality? How would you describe yourself? Common in interviews. Are you outgoing? Are you shy? Sample answers. I'm friendly and patient. I'm hardworking, creative, and reliable. I'm quite outgoing. I'm a bit shy. Let's add daily life simple routines. Help people know you. Patterns. On weekdays. Examples. On weekdays, I wake up at 6:30, make coffee, and go to work. In the evening, I cook dinner and read a book. On weekends, I visit my parents or meet friends. Add interests and hobbies to make your self-introduction warmer. I like cooking and cycling. I enjoy learning languages. I love playing the guitar. In my free time, I watch movies and take long walks. Your turn. Shadow me. I like. Bring. I enjoy. In my free time, I. Let's put it together. I'll model a short self-introduction. Listen first. Hi, my name's John. I'm from Boston in the United States, but I live in London now. I'm in my late 30s. I'm an English teacher, and I work at a language school. I'm friendly and patient. On weekdays, I teach in the morning and study in the afternoon. On weekends, I meet friends or play the guitar. In my free time, I enjoy reading and taking quiet walks. Nice to meet you. Now shadow it, line by line. Pause after me and repeat out loud. If a question feels too personal, it's okay to be gentle and general. I'd rather not say, if that's okay. I prefer to keep that private. I'm in my 30s, instead of a specific number. Small talk tips. Keep answers short, at first one or two sentences. Add one detail if the other person is interested. Ask a question back to keep the conversation friendly. Now practice a 30-second introduction. Use a timer. Remember, you don't need difficult grammar to sound natural. Short, clear sentences, plus confident voice, great communication. I'm proud of you for practicing today. Save this lesson. Repeat the shadow parts every day for 1 week, and your self-introduction will feel natural and easy. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm John, and this is Start Speak English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.